Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to buy an item on dubizzle. Now here we are on the website. You can go ahead and filter by city so you get more specific results, and then you just go ahead and scroll down and you can browse through the different options they have available. You can even search for something specific you're looking for. So let's say we want to buy one of these cars. You just go ahead and click on those listings and they'll open up in a new tab. Then you can just scroll down here, click on show phone number, and you can go ahead and contact this person. You can call them. As you can see, this seller is actually just the owner. You can chat with them here on dubizzle. You just have to make sure you have verified your account, and once you have verified your account using your phone number, then you will be able to chat with them. So let me show you an example of what a chat would look like, and then all you need to do is reach out to them, interact with them, do the back and forth, decide where you're going to meet, and there you can decide how you want to do the financial transaction, the transfers. Remember, do not share your credit card or bank details with anyone. Even dubizzle warns you about this. So you can reach out to them via chat, via phone number, and in some listings you can also go ahead and reach out to them using WhatsApp. Let me quickly show you an example of the WhatsApp option. So we have opened these two. There you go. As you can see, this one has the WhatsApp option as well. So it will open up WhatsApp, and that is how to buy an item on dubizzle.